I want to say welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a late night breaking news.
First, it was Alabama. Surprise Supreme Court win for Black voters. Soon it was also Georgia. And then it was Louisiana, too. All states where major court decisions called for the drawing of new congressional maps that would give Black voters a chance at fair representation after Republican legislators drew up districts that deliberately locked Black voters out of any reasonable chance of electing the legislators of their choice. These were all states where voters and voting rights groups were able to sue to get fair representation for Black voters, and they were able to win. They won surprising, meaningful, consequential victories for Black voters, thanks to the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Until now, until today. Today, a panel of 3 federal judges, all appointed by Republicans, issued a decision in a case that was brought by the Arkansas chapter of the NAACP. It challenges the fairness of congressional maps there. And these judges in the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals, they ruled that private citizens, private entities, private groups can't bring these cases anymore. Can't bring the kind of cases that we have seen succeed in Alabama and Georgia and Louisiana and other states. The judges ruled that entities, private entities, can't bring those kinds of cases. Actually, the only entity that can bring that kind of a case is the United States Attorney General.
Lawsuit will go to the United States Supreme Court. And I really do believe, just like in the case of Alabama, okay, to where the court said that they had a discriminatory map, Alabama, and the court, United States Supreme Court, that is, the United States Supreme Court voted 5-4 against the map of Alabama. So they have to have a redo in drawing that map. And I have no doubt that the same thing is going to occur here in Arkansas. You know, our state, monkey see, monkey do, copycat, monkey see, monkey do. We look at our neighboring Confederate states who passing all these extreme laws against people, and many cases people of color, and they feel comfortable with it, think that they can get away with it. And so hopefully when this case is heard, they're saying that it may not be heard sometime next year before the election. And so hopefully a decision will come in to where the court will rule in favor of doing what's right.